what you get is two plastic ABS bodies for each diffuser. You get a removing tab, you get the two fronts, the pushing little rivets, and then the stickers that go inside the diffusers to help with the lighting. So first of all, I'll just show you how to assemble. So you've got the diffuser body, you get the sticker pack, and we choose the largest sticker first. Removing it from the backing paper, and then I'll try and show you this as best as I can on video. Maybe we'll do it this way. I've put some little tabs in to help with the actual fixing of it. Just basically lay it in there, hold it down with one thumb, and then just ease it in like that. Then just work it, make sure it's down securely. So that was the largest one first, in the top. Trying to do this the way so you could see it best. Put it in like that. Push it down. And then we've got the two sides to attach last. So with the curved end going inside to the back. Same again on the other side. Curved end going to the back. Basically the white inside will help with the light reflection when the flash is all together. So that's the stickers on. Then you have your front to add to it. Now the front comes with a clear protective film to stop it getting scratched when we're manufacturing it. So remove the film, and then you place it on the sides like that. Then you have the plastic push-in rivets. Find the hole and then just push like that. Find the hole and push. That's very secure now. That's pushed in and held it on the sides. So no problems there. Now let's attach the flash diffuser to the flash head. So making sure that bracket is in that shape there. Remove the little rubber cap, place it underneath there. Now it does take a little bit of rocking on this. It's a tight fit. I've just got it over there watching the rubber flap, and then you just keep pushing. Snaps into place. Now this one actually closes down unless you squeeze that a little bit more, push it down then, and it traps it when it comes back. The diffuser's a very, very good fit onto the flash system. It's tight around this area, which is keeping it in place, and that's why it did require a push to get it to go over. And then you can still get to the controls if you needed to. You can get to this one, it's a little bit more fiddlier, but you can do them if you need to. Probably best to set those before you actually do fit the diffusers. To remove the diffuser, the little tab which I supply will help take it off. You need to just remove the little rubber flap I squeezed it together there just to release that pressure in that area. Now you just need to get this, I'll try and show you as best as I can, under the little piece of the diffuser at the back, and it's just to help it lift over there, that's all. Just take it back out and then keeping the flap there, making sure, and then a rocking motion, as you can see, will take it off like that. So that's my diffuser for the Nikon R1 system. Thank you for watching.